So, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng pure hyaluronic serum. So, ito na siya mga friend.
Hi everyone, it's November Rain and welcome back into my channel. So today is the seventh day of our experiment, and I am happy that I am gonna be over with this experiment. So I am done, literally done. So today I am gonna try the new recipe that I found. So if you guys haven't watched the video that I make a recipe of cantaloupe with honey and hyaluronic serum. So gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang difference ng kape at saka cantaloupe. Kasi sa kape at saka gatas, ginamit ko siya sa loob ng 5 araw. Yes, that's 5 araw. Sa cantaloupe, hindi pa ako nakapag-try, but I did my recipe already. And today, may experience natin kung ano ang kaibahan nilang dalawa. So the first mask na ginawa ko, it only has coffee, milk, and honey. Sa cantaloupe mask, dilagyan ko siya ng hyaluronic serum. Ito yung recipe na ginawa ko. And ito yung kape. So let's do this and make my skin look pretty. So mga friends, tapos na tayo maglagay ng face mask. Antayin na lang natin na matuyo ang ating mukha. Hi everyone! I am back and my face is clean already. It is really clean. Before we proceed to the toner and moisturizer, let's read the benefits of hyaluronic serum. Hyaluronic acid or serum helps reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, retaining moisture to the skin, creating a plumping effect. When the skin is protected and hydrated, increased skin cell production can take place as the skin isn't busy fighting for hydration. This leads to smoother and plumper skin cells. Yun po yung benepisyo ng hyaluronic serum. Cantaloupe helps keep your skin healthy. Research shows that antioxidant has been proven to improve sun-damaged skin as well as prepare, moisturize, stabilize skin's collagen production. So yun po yung yun po yung benepisyo ng cantaloupe sa ating balat. And then basahin din natin ang benepisyo ng honey, di ba? Kasi nilagyan natin ng honey. So you guys, if you haven't watched the video that I make, ang recipe, so please go ahead. That was number 6. Please go ahead and watch that video so you have idea what I am talking about. Benefits of honey on the skin. It is extremely moisturizing and hydrates even the driest of skin. Honey is naturally soothing and healing properties. It was traditionally used on wounds to aid healing. It also nourishes damaged skin to fade scars like those picky acne scars. So guys, kung meron kayong meron kayong mga problema sa scars na gawa ng acne, mas maigi pala na gumamit kayo ng product na may honey. So kailangan nyo rin gamitin yung honey na original, kasi kung hindi original yung mga peke, so hindi siguro masyadong yun epektibo. At least bumili kayo ng mga honey talaga na sa mga local farmer na talagang yung mga honey ay kinuha pa sa sa bahay ng bubuyog. So at least 'di ba? Meron nabibili nun sa Pilipinas, promise, meron nabibili nun. May nagtitinda ng ganun. Kasi mostly ang makikita commercial honey sa Pilipinas ay yung may mga halo ng sugar. So mas maganda yung pure talaga na honey ang gagamitin natin para sa ating mga scar. So mga friends, let's move on to my my toner. Magto-toner tayo kasi kailangan natin i-toner. Squirt. Lagyan lang siya ng ganyan. Bawasan ng konti kasi dumami. Napadami ang squirt mga friends. And let's do this. And next, we are gonna use this Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer. This is a really simple moisturizer and I'm telling you guys, it's heavy. So mga friends, ito na yung ating super hydrated na face. I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you ask me if I will recommend this product, yes, I can recommend this product. But if you don't have a lot of patience like me, then you can get whatever in the whatever's in the market right now. You can buy any beauty product or glass skin care product that you can find in the market. thank you so much, and I really appreciate for you guys for watching my video. And if you are new into this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification down below so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So see you on my next one.